Hi guys, Lori here from the National Weather Service in Spokane. We're going to do another experiment, but first let's review meteorology. So what is meteorology? What does it mean? So it comes from the Greek word meteoron, meaning things in the air, and ology means the discussion of, the knowledge of, the study of. So meteorology is the discussion, knowledge, and study of things in the air, hence weather. Alright, so today we're going to talk about pressure. Did you know that there is 14.7 pounds of air pressing on every square inch of your body? Did you know that? Okay, so why don't you feel it? Every square inch. So here, this square inch, 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 that square inch, it's all pressing on you. So why don't you feel it? Well, part of the reason you don't feel it is because you felt it since birth. It's been pressing on you this whole time, okay? Part of the other reason is, let's think about a video like you would see of a guy laying on a bed of nails, right? So if he lays on a whole bed of nails, okay, he can lay on it, right? Because all the nails are pressing all over in his body and it's distributing the weight, right? But if he were to sit on one nail, then that would hurt a lot, right? Okay, so it's kind of the same idea. Like, it's pressing all over us, and so we don't really feel it, okay? So today we're going to do an experiment about pressure. Are you ready? So I have this carton of milk, and I put in 3 different holes right here, 3 different holes, and I've got them stopped with golfing tee. So my question to you is this is filled with water. My question to you is, if I were to remove all 3 tees, would the water come out of the holes the same? So would they spew out the same? Would one shoot out further than the other? Would one shoot out less further than the others? And why? Okay, so let's see. Are you ready? Okay. Did you see that? Did you see how the bottom one, the top one's already gone. But you see how the bottom one shoots out the furthest? Okay, so let's discuss. Okay. So, as you go up in the atmosphere, for example, as you climb a mountain, there is less air and pressure pressing on you, okay? Whereas if you are down here, like in Spokane, or you were to go to the ocean or something, you're down closer to sea level, like at the ocean, and there's more air pressing on you because there's more air above you till you get to the top of the atmosphere. When you're on top of a mountain, right? When you're on top of a mountain, there's all this atmosphere above you, right? But if you're at sea level, there's this much more on top of you, okay? So that's why when we did the experiment, this hole had the least amount of water kind of shooting out of it this way, okay? Because there was less air pressing down on this hole compared to this hole, okay? This hole had the most pressure on it, hence why it shot out the furthest of the streams of water, okay? All right, make sure you answer the questions below. Thanks for joining. Good luck.